This is Edwin Sultan. We have Rohit Singh coming up. Master Rohit. Mighty and strong. They are the under 6 and the under 8. The champions of the Little Girls League Gurgaon Zone. I request our senior boy.
The purpose of this organization is to felicitate our state champions of Vasco Taluka schools. Our two schools of Riznamundi became under 14 boys and girls champions. So nobody is felicitating, nobody is appreciating. So this was our ACE Academy's motto, was to appreciate them. Then we came to our OLP High School, Kortalim. They also became under 17 champion and they also part of the Taluka. So we felicitated them.
Sir, you have been associated with football for so many years. So, what do you think, like young boys to play football?
Nowadays, the boys are become very busy. They are not having with mobile and TV and lots of studies, tuition. So they cannot do more dedication like in the past. Past boys were having lot of time. Now the boys don't have much of time. So whatever they are doing, among that they are doing very good. Like our one star player is their youth world champ, Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Department in 1978 as state football coach. And I retired in 2013 as assistant director coaching. In my reign, I have coached many players, like even this Francis boy was there of Riznamundi, who was my student. Like that, I have many outstation players from international level also. I have made Goa University 3 times All India champion. I have coached the Indian school team 3 times. I have been with the team to China, Malaysia and Thailand. I coached the Indian women's team in 1988. So those days players were different, nowadays players are different. Thank you.
अकॅडमी आमचो मुतवाली सर जे जायते फुटबॉल प्लेयर तेणें गोंयांत मैदानाचेर खेळयलेले आसा ती अकॅडमी तेणें घडोवन हाडली आनी आयज ते 10 वर्सां कंप्लीट करता. इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट job to survive for 10 years and to continue coaching young and budding and talented football players, and they have done a wonderful job. Today if you see the faces of the young footballers who are in this hall this evening, you can make out one day they'll become good football players on the football map of Goa.
Chikit, what do you think is a key factor for improvement of football in Goa?
Key factor, I will talk to you from Mormugao Taluka. Everybody is on the same platform. The physical education teachers, the coaches, the administrators, the clubs, schools, everybody is on one single platform. That is the reason why we have 3 state championships coming to Mormugao this season. Riznamundi with 2 under 14 boys and girls state champion. It is a big thing to become the state champions of Goa. We had OLPS Kortalim under 17 champions. 3 schools from Mormugao. Plus the icing on the cake was the entry of Club de Salonga, the newest club from Mormugao in the I-League 3. See, if everybody is on the same boat, everybody communicates with each other, then we can do many good things for improvement of football in Mormugao and in Goa. And I'm proud that all my colleagues who are doing a great job for football in Mormugao are on the same platform. Everybody does their bit, and that is why Mormugao is shining today on the football map of Goa.
This is the second edition of ACE Soccer Academy Annual Day cum prize distribution ceremony. Here the main objective is to motivate the young boys of the academy along with the other teams like Regina Mundi securing the under 14 boys and girls, OLPS Kortali achieving under 17. To motivate these young boys and girls, that is our main objective, so that football grows well and we play a small part in that.
You've been associated with football for a long time. What do you think could improve the scene in football in Goa?
Now we have just behind me a gentleman, Sir Francisco Nunes. You see his vision. He is only for football. I have never seen him doing his personal work or going out somewhere and doing his work, but he's always in the JFA office, he's doing JFA work, he's motivating people, clubs. So like this, if everybody plays a small role, a small cameo, like the physical education teachers or the academies or the clubs come together under one roof without ego, and we support Goa Football Association, All India Football Federation, definitely we will win the 1962 time. That time will come back again.